What's up? This is Jeff Staple. I'm the founder and creative director of Staple Design and Read Space. And this is my new Skillshare class. Hopefully you've taken some of the other Skillshare classes that I've done. I've took you through how to develop a brand and a creative company of your own. And I've also taken you through how to do selling and marketing of that brand. But now we're gonna talk about the basic humble t-shirt and how to create a t-shirt. So in the 18-year history that I've had my company now, we've developed and designed so many different things, from a clothing line, obviously, to sneakers, to cameras, to parties, to retail stores. But what I think is so cool is that all of it started with these two hands silk screening a t-shirt. That's how this entire global business / empire was started, with a humble t-shirt in Parsons School of Design in a silkscreen lab, using a $10 blank t-shirt that I bought on 14th Street with inks that I bought at an art supply store. And so if I could do it, anybody could do it. So in this class, I'm gonna teach you how to make a t-shirt, and it might seem simple, but in actuality, there's so many different types of tees, and I'm gonna try to take you through as many different styles and designs as possible. I'm also gonna go into a little bit of the collaterals that go into making a t-shirt, as well as some of the different techniques that you can use and some of the pros and cons of each one. By the end of this class, you're gonna have the know-how and the knowledge and the tips and the tools to be able to make a t-shirt, and that's exactly what I want you to do after this class. I want you to make a t-shirt. That's the best way to make a great shirt, is to start and just try to make a shirt. And if you have the accessibility to have a silk screener to make a shirt, by all means do it. If you can't, and you've got a Sharpie and a blank Hanes t-shirt, you can make a t-shirt too.